presenting the 2011 Honda Accord LXP. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include drive-by-wire throttle, direct ignition system, 5-speed automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, double wishbone front suspension, independent multi-link rear suspension, chrome exhaust finisher, tilt and telescopic steering column, maintenance minder system and security system. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.